What's up YouTube, welcome to the video. In this video we are talking about how we can zoom in and zoom out inside a picture box using Windows Form. So let's begin. So we will create a new project of type Windows Form .NET Framework and let's name it Zoomer. So for starters, go to the toolbox and let's create a panel, and inside that we will put a picture box of this much size and the size mode as auto size. We will also be needing a trackbar because we are doing the zooming with a trackbar. And now for the picture we will choose the picture at the desktop. So this is the picture, and we have to turn the auto scroll property as true. So now we can look at the whole picture through scroll bars. Now we will double click the code and it would create the forms1 load event. Trackbar 1 dot minimum equals to 1 and trackbar dot maximum equals to 6. Also trackbar dot small change equals to 1 and trackbar dot large change will also be equals to 1 and trackbar dot weight cursor equals to false, and this dot double buffer equals to true. The double buffer property minimizes the stutter when the image is zoomed. Now we will create the function to zoom our picture. So image is gonna be the return type and zoom picture, and inside here our two arguments gonna be first is image and second is size. So size, and here we will write our formula, which is bitmap bm equals to new bitmap. The first argument gonna be the image and the second is convert dot to int 32, and inside this we will gonna write our formula, which is image dot width multiply by size dot width, and the other arguments is gonna be convert dot int 32, and inside this we will gonna write image dot height multiply by size dot height. So this is our big formula. And now graphics GPU graphics dot from image BM. So we will draw the graphics and GPU dot interpolation mode equals to interpolation mode dot high quality by cubic, and then return the picture, which is BM. After this we will gonna create a picture box, a new picture box, and name it as original, so org. And then we will come to the load section, and inside over here we will write picture box 1. We will write org dot image equals to picture box dot image. And now we will do our magic inside the track event of the track bar. So inside over here we will write if track bar dot value is not equals to 0, then put picture box dot image as null. Picture box dot image equals to zoom picture, and inside the argument we will give the original image, so org dot image, and new size, which is gonna be trackbar dot value comma trackbar dot value. It means that we are giving both the trackbar value. So if the trackbar value is 2, then according to our formula our width would be increased by 2 and our height would also be increased by 2, a factor of 2. I forget to initialize the original image first, so org equals to new picture box. So this was it. And now here is our picture box, and when we increase the zoom factor the picture zooms, and when I zoom out the picture becomes normal. So this is how you zoom in and zoom out in a picture box. Also, one thing you can do is you can create a button which would open a open file dialog, and inside an if statement you can do show dialog result dot OK. So if the result is OK, if the file is accepted, load it inside the picture box. The original picture box equals to new picture box. Inside our original picture box we would load the image like this, od.filename. This would load the image in the original picture box, and then inside the real picture box we would load the exact same image. So this is I am doing this so we don't have to preload the image, and we can load any image over here and zoom in and zoom out that image. I don't have to do this over here, nor this. So when I will open the image it would create a new picture box and do it for me. So now I can choose an image, and then it would open over here, and I can zoom in and zoom out in that image. That's in it for the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, press the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.